doing, Abby, you mad wee girl? You trying to make yourself a nest or something? Hmm? What are you doing, darling? What's your father going to think when he sees you doing this? Hey? He's going to think you're a bit of a maddie. Just what I have to put up with your mad bird during the day, Pete. I think she might be trying to wet herself because the peas might be a wee bit damp. These are peas that I was going to put in with Lachlan's food, but clearly now we don't want them tasting like chicken, so we're going to have to make some fresh ones. Very interesting. The behaviours of a cockatiel in captivity. Who knows what they're really thinking? You're just crazy, Abby. You're just a crazy bird. I suppose I'm going to have to clean them all up since you've been putting them all over the place. If you just cast your eyes down here, you can see peas all over the floor. Oh look, there's a whole lot of peas down there too. She's flicked them for frickin' miles. Shortly there won't be any left in the plate. I think she's decided that she thinks that maybe the plate's a nest and she's trying to flick everything out. I don't know. Oh, she stopped to have a bit of a nibble. I think that's probably given you the idea. Stop now. Film at 11.